Our next topic is nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a single celled organism. So what is single celled? Single celled organism is also known as unicellular. Unicellular means one cell. There are two type of organism, multicellular and unicellular. सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट, सबसे छोटा पार्टिकल है जिससे कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का बॉडी जो है बनता है. आप हायर क्लासेस में अच्छे से पढ़ोगे कि सेल है क्या. जस्ट इतना समझो, सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट और स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट और स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल जिसकी हेल्प से कोई भी बॉडी बनती है. सो देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म. वन इज मल्टी सेलुलर लाइक ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड ruminants, and one is unicellular, means an organism which is made up of only single cell, and we are made up of many cell, multi cell. Okay, so amoeba is a unicellular organism which is found in the pond water. Generally इसको हम तालाब में पाते हैं. unicellular organism and their shape is irregular. इसका मतलब आप कैसे भी शेप बना सकते हो क्योंकि इसका कोई भी फिक्स शेप नहीं होता. Human body, ruminants and other organisms generally have fixed shape body, but their shape is not fixed. Let's talk about some parts. That is called nucleus. Nucleus is present in every cell. All organisms is made up of cell and every cell contain nucleus. That part, that is called pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. Pseudopodia, Pseudopodia. There is two words made up with two words, pseudo and podia. Pseudo means false, F-A-L-S-E, and podia means feet, false feet. That finger-like structure is called pseudopodia. What is the role of pseudopodia in nutrition in amoeba? Please read the topic from the textbook as well. First, it is a single cell organism. Single cell organism found in a pond water, and their body is irregular, has irregular shape. When these organisms or when amoeba senses the food particle, when amoeba senses the food particle, it increase their length, or you can say that with the help of pseudopodia. You can see here in first figure food particle is here, but in the second case you can see here amoeba has changed their size and capture the food particle. So when amoeba senses the food in its surrounding, उसके आसपास कहीं भी उसको food दिखेगा, it will capture the food particle with the help of pseudopodia. By increasing the size of pseudopodia, it will capture the food. After capturing the food, amoeba will create amoeba will create a hole that is called vacuole. Vacuole, that is vacuole, V-A-C-U-O-L-E, that is called vacuole. Vacuole is a space present in a body of amoeba. So after capturing the food, I'm repeating again, when amoeba senses the food particle from their surrounding, they will increase the size of that finger-like structure, that is pseudopodia, and capture the food particle and then encloses inside the body after forming a hole, that is food vacuole. After forming the food vacuole, food will be sent to the vacuole, and from the vacuole, like human beings and human beings and ruminants, digestive juices will release from the, or digestive juice will secreted from the food vacuole, and that food particle will be digested there. After digestion, nutrients will be absorbed by the body, and then again from the food vacuole, rest of leftover food or undigested food will be thrown out from the body. Just a simple nutrition process. In amoeba, when amoeba senses the food particle, it will capture the food particle with the help of pseudopodia. By increasing the size of pseudopodia, it has irregular shape, it can change their size. So after sensing the food particle, it will change their size and capture the food particle. Then food particle will be sent to the food vacuole. food vacuole is formed by the amoeba itself, and then food particle will be sent to the food vacuole, where digested juices will release and digestion process will be completed there. After completing the digestion process, nutrients will be absorbed by the amoeba for their growth and maintenance, and then rest of food or undigested food will be thrown out from the temporary vacuole, और जो vacuole उन्होंने form किया है. Okay बेटा, I am repeating again. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. It has irregular shape, found in a pond's water. That finger-like structure is called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is changeable. It can change their size and shape. Amoeba can change their size and shape when they will sense the food. When sensing the food, then food will be captured and sending to the temporary vacuole formed by the amoeba, where digested juices will be released and food will be digested. After digestion of food, nutrients will be absorbed from the food, and rest or leftover or undigested food will be thrown out from the body from the vacuole. Okay beta, so lesson is completed. Watch the all videos properly. I will send the notes as soon as possible and complete the worksheets of both two lessons, and then we will see which lesson will be started. I will inform you. Thank you beta.